Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. I'm Gary, a clinical audiologist and a proud part of the ownership team here at Advanced Hearing Group in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is Earwax Removal Vlog number 41. In today's episode, we're actually going to be looking at a wall of wax, attempting to break through it, using the curette, then using some irrigation to get as much of the wax out as possible. This patient's preferred method of wax removal has always been irrigation. They're allowing us to use the curette to make the irrigation more quick and hopefully more effective. Believe it or not, they were recently at their primary care doctor's office. And when I say recently, I mean within the last 2 weeks, and they were told that they had absolutely no earwax. At least that's what the patient told me. So I think that might have been a slight oversight. We're going to get the wax out of the way so the patient can have some relief from the excessive ringing that they're hearing. Since this patient is reporting ringing, I want to give you a did you know about tinnitus. Did you know that excessive salt, alcohol, caffeine, and even sugar can cause fluctuations in the ringing in your ear? Now, they won't actually cause the tinnitus to begin or stop, but it can cause fluctuations. We've just used some irrigation. You can see how we can see all the way down to the eardrum now. There is still some wax on the top left portion of the ear canal. We'll use the curette to get that cleaned up, and it'll give us a beautiful view of the eardrum. The eardrum's moving, patient's happy, ringing has suddenly gone down. All in all, it's a win. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.